Hello everyone, we are Group 1 and my name is Tang Yueli. My group members are Ko Yin-Zhen, Tang Hongjie, Tai Yanbing and Gan Yumei. Today we will do our video demo for the Nextcaller system prototype in Sprint 2. This is the main page of our system. For new users, they can click sign up button, select role. However, the new user tutorial feature is still under development, so the page currently displays an in progress message. Okay, back to the login. Click the login button, select role. Since I will present the lecture part, so I will access by lecture role. After login, user can access different functions through the navigation panel on the left-hand side, which include dashboard, feature, AI matching, networking, and setting. We will continue to improve and add new feature in this section in future sprint, which is sprint 3. Today, I will present US 202, which is as a lecturer, I want to message students directly within Nextcaller so that communication with the student is faster compared to email. For this sprint, I completed the following tasks: design a chat interface, implement message sending and receiving feature, test chat functionality. Now let me demonstrate the completed work. First, I will demonstrate the design chat interface. As you can see, this is the UI design for the chat interface. The messaging page is divided into 3 main sections, which is left, middle, and right. So for the left section, display the conversation list. It provides different filters, including all, student, collaborator, and group project. This filter allows lecturer to organize and locate conversation more efficiently. As you can see, all will display all the message. Student only display the student message. Collaborator only display collaborator message, and so on. The middle part is the chat area where lecturer and student can communicate directly between the platform. User can send and receive message without relying on external communication tools such as the email. The right section will display the summary card containing important information about the selected student. This allows lecturer to quickly review the student academic background and research information while communicating. And as you can see, this display the message, select a chat to start messaging. So later I will display how the UI design realized for the real example. Next, I will demonstrate how lecturer can access this messaging feature. Besides access the messaging feature from the messaging button, the lecturer also can access from 2 different entry points, which are the chat button in the summary card of AI matching result page and the roster list. First, from the AI matching result page, lecturer can review the recommended student based on their matching score and the research interest. In this sprint, we also updated the summary card from sprint 1 by adding 2 additional action buttons, which are chat button and add to roster list button. The chat button allows lecturer to start a conversation directly within the selected student, while the add to list button allows lecturers to save potential student for future consideration. After identifying a potential student, the lecturer can click the chat button from the summary card. The system will then redirect the lecturer to the messaging interface with the selected student. Similarly, click the chat button in the roster list can also access the messaging feature. Similarly, lecturer can also access the messaging feature through the chat button in the roster list. You can see they are access the same page. Now I will demonstrate the first time conversation. When a lecturer starts a conversation within a student for the first time, 3 quick start message buttons are provided, which are introduce yourself, discuss research interest, and research collaboration opportunity. This predefined message help lecturers start conversation more efficiently and reduce the effort required to compose an initial message. For this demonstration, I will select research collaboration opportunity. After the message is sent successfully, a new conversation is automatically created. As you can see, the conversation appear at the top of the conversation list because it contains the most recent activity. So the prior name will display in the first member. Now I will demonstrate the message sending and receiving functionality. During this sprint, I encountered a challenge when designing the quick start message for first-time conversation. The main challenge was determining how to make this message suitable and personalized for different lecture, research area, and communication scenarios. To address this issue, I propose allowing user to customize and edit the quick start message template to the setting page. But the start and edit quick start message feature still doesn't develop in this sprint, and I will improve in next sprint, which is sprint 3. This improvement will provide a more personalized communication experience and increase the flexibility of the messaging feature. The messaging functionality has been successfully implemented and tested. Users are able to send and receive messages correctly through the chat interface. As for unfinished work, the new user tutorial feature and customizable quick start message template are still under development and will be considered in future sprint. We welcome feedback from the lecturer and team member so that we can further improve this feature before future stakeholder review session. That's all for my part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Diane Bin, the developer of UX 201 in the Sprint 2. My tasks are the roast list and the add to list functions. So first we need to log in as a lecturer. And we need to click the AI search. So we can skip this one because we finish in Sprint 1. So we can go straight to the match result page. Okay, so this is our match result page. First, we can see the tutorial. So the old tutorial was all on one page. I split it into 2 pages this time, so it's much easier to read. I also add new notes on the second page. These notes tell us how to add students into roster list, and how to chat with the students selected, and how to renew your roster list. We still have a save button if people don't need to quit. Okay, so now let's look at these summary cards. Each one has a green chat button and a star button. You can click the star button to add someone to your roster list. And you can add many different people at the same time. You also can click renew button to check your full roster list, this one. So we can see this is our roster list. We can see the tutorial, also 2 pages. In the second pages, we add the click here to search roster by name. If you want to see it, you can skip tutorial. So click the start again. You can remove someone from the list. When there are no people left in your roster list, a reminder text will show up on the page like this. Okay, so we can buy. We said you can click the green chat button and time to chat with the students like this. Okay. If you don't want to see the roster list, you can click this star so you can see the pop-up window. So that's all for my UX 201 part.
For user story 303, which is as a user, I want a quick visual guidance and explanation on features so that I can use Nextschooler without confusion. And my task is to add 2 tips and provide quick explanation on mouse over interaction. So now we are at the main page and click login, and we will show student and lecturer. We first click lecturer, and it will show a dashboard with the AI matching, and we click that on the quick links. Then it will show the AI filter matching with the next color, and you can see the tooltip at the right hand side. And when we hover our mouse, it will show this instruction. And once the mouse is leaving the tooltip, it will disappear. And the tooltip will show instruction whenever and anytime when we hover our mouse on it. And we continue to do it normally as we wanted and upload it so that we can find the students that we want. As you can see, there are top three matches here. And after that, we click on the online discovery, and it has tooltip 2 on the left side of the title, and you see this is the instructions. And next, we can complete it, and that's all for online discovery and AI matching. And this is now where we log in as a student. So first we click on the student account, and next it will show this dashboard, and we also click the AI searching. And as you can see, it has the same tooltip as lecturer view. It also gives instruction whenever you have a mouse on interaction, and so you can be clear of what is the feature is and how we can use it. And after that, we can find our desired lecturers. This is the same for online discovery, where there is tooltip and you can click on it. So after the tooltip for both AI matching lecturer and student view and online discovery, now we move on to our feature monitor. So first, we can see in our lightning icon, we have our feature monitor, and you can see the tooltip here. It also gives instructions of what the feature is and how we can use it. And lastly, we have the roster list of messaging. And here you can also see a tooltip here at the right hand side of the search conversation. And there's the instruction when you have mouse over interaction, and it can give features and more info about how it is working. This tooltip is to improve our understanding on our features that may cause confusion. So I've completed the user story for this screen, and the issues that I face is the tooltip positioning issues, where I have trouble finding where to put the tooltips so that I can give clearer explanation.